Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn next point, molecularity of elementary reaction. Complex reaction are these which constitutes a series of elementary reactants. Each step in complex reaction is called as elementary reaction. The overall complex reaction is obtained by adding this elementary reaction. Now, definition of molecularity of elementary reaction: a reaction that takes place in single step and cannot be broken down further into simple chemical reaction. Simple chemical. Another definition of molecularity of elementary reaction: the number of molecules taking part in the reaction. Number of reactant molecules taking part in the reaction. On the basis, molecularity of the reaction are classified as unimolecular, bimolecular, trimolecular, and so on, depending on the number of reactant in the reaction, molecules involved. Okay, it is the reaction in which any one molecules of the reactant is called as unimolecular reaction. See again, unimolecular means it is the reaction in which only one molecule of the reactant is called unimolecular reaction. In unimolecular reaction, a single reactant molecules undergoes reaction molecularity 1. For example, O2 to formation of O3 to formation of O2 plus O. Ozone gives product O2 plus O. Another example is molecularity is 1. C2H5I. It means ethyl iodide. C2H5I. To formation of product C2H4 plus iodine. Ethyl iodide formation of C2H4 plus HF. And third one example is PCl5 to formation of PCl5 to formation of PCl3 plus Cl2. This is the molecularity is 1. This is the unimolecular. Okay. Then second, bimolecular. by unimolecular, bimolecular, trimolecular. Second one is bimolecular. It is the reaction in which two molecules of the reactant is called as bimolecular reaction. In bimolecular reaction, two reactant molecules undergoes molecularity is 2. For example, NO2. To formation of NO2, formation of NO plus O2. NO plus O2. This is the bimolecular. Molecularity is 2. It is the reaction in which three reactant molecules is called as trimolecular. In trimolecular reaction, three reactant molecules undergoes reaction. Molecularity is 3. Molecularity is 3. For example of trimolecular, CO plus O2. C plus O2 plus to formation of CO2. The unimolecular, bimolecular and trimolecular reaction are very common, but trimolecular reaction involves three reactant molecules are rare. Molecularity is always a whole number and molecularity of reaction is purely theoretically concept. Okay. Then next point is order and molecularity of elementary reaction. Order and molecularity of elementary reaction order and molecularity of elementary reaction means that the rate law for the elementary reaction, 2NO2 formation of NO plus O2 is found to be therefore rate is equal to K concentration NO2 power 2. The reaction is second order and bimolecular. The order of reaction is 2 and it is molecularity is also 2. For the elementary reaction, C2H5 to formation of C2H4 plus HCl. Okay, ethyl iodide, ethylene. It is unimolecular and first order reaction. However, order and molecularity of the reaction may or may not to be the same. Okay. Then a rate determines step. A rate determines step means the slowest step in the reaction mechanism. The slowest step in the reaction mechanism, which involves many steps, is called a rate determined step. Rate determined step means the slowest step in the reaction mechanism, which involves many steps, in called rate determined step. Okay, the slowest step determines the rate of overall reaction. For the example of, consider decomposition of gaseous NO2Cl. NO2Cl means nitrile chloride. Nitrile chloride. NO2Cl, nitrile chloride, to formation of NO plus Cl2. Nitrile chloride to formation of NO2 plus Cl. The reaction takes place. This reaction takes place two steps. Step number 1. Step number 1. NO2Cl plus NO2Cl to formation of NO2Cl. Reaction step number 1. Step number 2. NO2Cl plus Cl to formation of step number 2. NO2 plus Cl. First step, this is the slow unimolecular. Second step, fast unimolecular. Step 1 and step 2. NO2Cl plus NO2 plus Cl. This is the overall reaction. First step, slow unimolecular. Second step, fast unimolecular. Among two steps, first step, beginning slower, represent a rate determined step. The rate law can be represented at, therefore rate is equal to constant concentration of NO2Cl. Hence this reaction is first order. In this, chlorine is formed as a reaction intermediate. Okay. Reaction intermediate means some additional species or substance other than reactant or product. Some additional species or substance other than reactant or product is produced in the mechanism. Such a species is called or is known as reaction intermediate. Some additional species substance other than reactant or product is produced in the mechanism or product is produced in the mechanism. Such species is known as intermolecular. The concentration of reaction intermediate does not appear in the rate law. Does not appear in the rate law. Then distinguish between order and molecularity of reaction. Different between these two, order and molecularity of reaction. This question carries 2 marks. First point of the order, according to order of reaction. According to order of reaction are classified as 0, first, second and third order reaction. According to order of reaction means the sum of power of all the concentration, sum of power. Then molecular of reaction, according to molecularity of reaction are classified as uni, bi and trimolecular reaction. According to molecularity of reaction are classified as uni, bi and trimolecular reaction. Means the number of reactant molecules taking part in the reaction. Taking part in the reaction. Next point is the sum of powers of concentration of reactant involved in the rate law equation. Here, second point is molecularity of reaction. It is the actual number molecules of atoms involved in the chemical reaction. Third one point, order. It is experimentally determined. It is experimentally determined. Molecular reaction, it is the theoretical concept. Last one point of the order, it may be an integral, fraction or zero. Molecular reaction is, it is integral. Okay. Distinguish between order and molecularity of the reaction.